to create custom filter for Snapchat. Creating custom filters for Snapchat is quite easy and simple. Just before proceeding, make sure you update your app. Then open the application of Snapchat and you will get access to this camera section. On the circle you can see when you slide towards you will get different kinds of filters. So you need to slide towards the last or end of those filters. So when you reach toward the bottom of these filters, you will see the option of Explore Lenses. So we can only discover more experiences made by the community and Snapchat. But in order to create our own custom filters for Snapchat and not explore the lenses on the Snapchat, you simply need to select the Bitmoji icon of your profile at the top left corner of the screen. Once you're on this profile feed, select the gear icon at the top right corner of the screen. Once you are on the settings page, you have to locate the filters and lenses where you will get the option to create custom filters for Snapchat. Just make sure you update your application. Since I'm using the old version of Snapchat, there is no such features, and to update the application there is no such storage free. That is why I suggest you to follow all this instruction that is given on this video, and by selecting the option of lenses and filters on your updated version, you can easily get the option to create custom filters for Snapchat, and you can easily apply those custom filters on Snapchat. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, then make sure to hit the like button. If you are new to our channel, then subscribe it and press the notification bell so that you won't miss any further updates on our channel.